Just watch him, guys. Just watch. Trying to get him out towards the middle. I know, you see me. You're tough. Get off the ant bed.
I got a fever.
Stay back.
Troy Allen, over here. She's telling you to stay back. Come over here, okay, guys?
That's what I come up on.
It's your mama, isn't it?
Someone's gonna walk up to it and not know.
Well, that one's not going to hurt anybody, but, I mean, even if it did,
Little kid.
yeah, no, it still wouldn't. Your mom looked like you a lot when she was your age.
There he is. There he is. Whoa.
Stay back.
This way.
Back, guys.
Oh.
He might go in the water.
Did you try to grab him?
Back up, guys. Back.
He's moving fast. Goodbye. That one's caught one of them in the trash can, man. He's around.
He's going farther out.
I see him. He's off there.
Yeah, I was gonna grab him, but
How dare you? He'll
they.
fight.
Well, I know that. That's why y'all can't.
Yeah, but that's what she's going to show you.
I need for y'all really to back up on that.
Sorry,
I'm watching out for one on that side. Do you want him to like crawl up on your stick?
What I really want is for y'all to be real quiet because he's about to come out to the road. Don't move.
Don't move.
If he just pushes me, I'm gonna move.
Y'all are okay.
You can't stop me.
Now he's gone. No, I fell. I hurt me more than snakes hurt me. Like, y'all just don't know.
I know exactly.
Why did you try to grab him?
I guess it's
Is he gone? Grab him. Did he go across the water?
Well,
I'd keep
Well,
just
I want.
Tiny frog.